If you're encountering the label generation failed error on Pirate Ship, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues when generating shipping labels. Step 2. Verify shipping information. Double-check the shipping details you entered, including the recipient's address, weight, and dimensions of the package. Any inaccuracies can cause the label generation to fail. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated data can interfere with the label generation process. After clearing, refresh the page and try again. Step 4. Use a different browser. If the issue persists, try using a different web browser. Sometimes, compatibility issues with certain browsers can lead to errors in generating labels. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Pirate Ship's customer support. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the label generation failed error on Pirate Ship. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.